Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can unpin or pin the Microsoft Edge from your taskbar into your taskbar on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So if you are tired of searching for Microsoft Edge again and again, so if you are going to use the Microsoft Edge and every time you are going to open it, you will repeatedly search for it in the Windows search bar. Now, there is a good way for that. You have to pin it in the taskbar. So in my case, this is already pinned. Now, how I have done this, let me unpin this first. Now, search for Edge in the Windows search bar. Right-click on it and then select Pin to Taskbar. You have four options: Run as Administrator, Open File Location, Pin to Start, and Pin to Taskbar. Simply click on Pin to Taskbar. So if you have pinned the Microsoft Edge in the taskbar, then you will no longer search for it again and again in the Windows search bar. You just have to simply click on it and this will open for you and you can start using the Microsoft Edge browser. However, if you don't like it to be pinned in the taskbar, then you just have to simply make a right click on it and then select Unpin from Taskbar. You have four options here: New Window, New Private Window, Microsoft Edge, Unpin from Taskbar. Just simply click on Unpin from Taskbar and this will be unpinned from the taskbar. But I suggest that you just have to pin it in the taskbar because Microsoft Edge is a very important browser and this is also a very useful browser for you. So this is how you can do it. I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.